Go! What's up, guys? So we're getting in the festive spirit and we are going to be lighting some festive fireworks and roasting some s'mores. Burn, baby, burn. Getting some firewood. Gonna roast some marshmallows. Toasty. We're gonna have some s'mores. This chocolate here. We have our crackers, our marshmallows, and our roasted sticks. Yummy, 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 yummy. So we're gonna, you get your s'more, okay, you're gonna put a bit of chocolate on there, you're gonna put that on there, and then you're gonna get that bit and pull it off, that's it, just like that, go on.
Now where I'm going to
Okay, and then we're gonna eat it.
Let's taste this.
Is it good? How good is it?
Really good.
Yeah.
I want one.
Yummy.
I want one.
Let's get another one. Does it taste good?
Chocolate.
It's like eat the chocolate. Eat the chocolate.
It's like
Look at that.
It's like a chocolate mushroom.
Yummy.
Okay.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The chocolate's really hard.
Oh, it's on fire. That one.
Sandwich.
That looks good.
Okay.
And then you gotta pull the burnt bit off and eat all the gooey yum. I don't think Daddy knows how to pull the burnt bit off. Go and give it a go. Is it good?
The s'mores are even gooder.
Nice.
That's a fire. That's a full fire.
Yum, yum, yum. I love a s'more.
I can't have one.
Yummy. Gotta blow it off. Ready?
Alright,
Alright, that's good. I'm gonna make my s'more. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I'm doing it.
S'mores are really good. You have to make those out.
I'm doing it.
I'm doing it. So.
3 at a time now. Crazy.
Gonna go try to cut that boy. Look how gooey that is. No, we're gonna roast 3 at a time.
Me too. Really? Ow.
Okay,
Ready?
putting down the fireworks.
You've got to run.
We're setting the first one, then we're gonna run. Go! We ran. Oh, cool. Except for now it just looks like it's set in the chair like at the end of the garden.
Does it?
Woo! We didn't quite catch that one.
Did you get it?
Almost. Whoa. Sparkler time. Can you spell your name? You spelled it.
I can't blow it.
Go on.
Yeah, it's not actually. Look at me. So I've got two.
Well, hey.
Trick.
Well, hey. What's the trick for?
Oh, the trick. It's like this.
Whoa.
This one. I'm gonna make it. Do it. Disappear. Disappear.
Good job. I feel like no.
Yes! It's blowing everywhere.
Whoa.
It's flying, not flying. Don't touch the flying stuff. Oh god, it's gonna blow up the whole thing. Yeah, shall I get it? Yes! Shall I get that one? Yeah, shall I get it? Yes! Okay, this.
Those s'mores were so good.
Yeah.
And the sparklers were fun.
Yeah.
Yeah. But the
And I-
fireworks were a bit of a fail.
Huh?
The fireworks were a bit of a fail.
Yeah.
Yeah. But it was really fun, and if you liked watching this video, then make sure you check out all our other VLOGMAS 2018 vlogs. And thanks so much for watching, guys.
Bye.
Bye.